So for many years, we've always worked to have very good value on our healthcare insurance. And then about 3 years ago, I became aware of Victress, and it became a service for them.
Before Victress, doctor visits weren't as regular as maybe they should have been. Then after Victress, it's a little bit more peace of mind, knowing that I can text or call or whatever with smaller issues.
Some of the key items that stood out for me when we were evaluating Victress was really just the amount of time their medical folks are able to spend with our employees, as well as looking at the whole picture. Our current medical practices typically love to treat the symptoms versus say, okay, how can we truly get to root cause? So that's really what I think they bring different to the table.
Probably the biggest difference right off the bat was that they took a solid hour to sit down and actually just talk through medical history. And they're then looking at those things more holistically as well. Asking questions about how's your mental health, how's your relationship health, things like that, that it's painting a picture of you wholly rather than just, I'm in and out in 5 minutes. You don't get that at a lot of physicians' office. It's usually kind of very quick, cut and dry. Do it as quick as we can, get you out the door.
The first visit was basically a standard checkup. It was very welcoming. Not like your cold standard doctor's office. It was definitely more of a full encompassing experience versus just a get you in and out the door.
It's been great, for the employees that are using it. They're able to walk right into Victress and be seen and get their needs taken care of. Especially for, folks that may not have a primary care physician.
I can call up into Victress at any point in time and say, hey, this is going on, and get a response. Whereas if I'm trying to get into primary care provider or whatever else, it might be 3-4 days, it might be a week. And so the sense of being able to get in a relatively quick turnaround.
If I have a concern, I don't have to wait till my next appointment. I can just ask right away and see if there's anything of concern immediately and get an answer within the same day.
It's worthwhile to be seen as a whole person rather than as a set of conditions to be treated. And that can make a major difference in how you feel as a person walking out of a physician's office.
It's a valuable resource, and I truly value the fact that my bosses see that value. It allows me to almost take control of my own healthcare.
There's just a lot of things that happen on the back end of your traditional healthcare that we don't have to worry about with Victress because of that subscription model. So it just allows us to really meet the needs of the employees.
I've had such a positive experience that the friends and family that I have told about it, I've had nothing bad to say.
The fundamental right to be heard, listened to, talked to, it's refreshing. It brings new life to this is how I can and should be treated, and this is how we should be treating others.